In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a portfolio on Weebly. Whether you're a creative professional looking to showcase your work or a student ready to share your projects and achievements, Weebly offers a straightforward and intuitive platform to get started. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have a beautiful, fully functional portfolio by the end. To begin, if you already have a Weebly account, you'll find yourself on the Weebly dashboard. Here, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your existing website's title. Click on this title, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options, select Add Site to initiate the creation of a new site. However, if this is your first time creating a Weebly account, you'll automatically be directed into the website creation process, saving you that extra click. Next, Weebly will prompt you to decide whether your new site will include an online shop. This decision is crucial because the presence or absence of an e-commerce component will significantly influence the layout and functionalities available to you. Consider your portfolio's primary purpose and make your choice. If you're solely focused on showcasing work without the need for selling products, opt for a non-shop site for a simpler and more streamlined interface. After making this decision, you'll be taken to Weebly's collection of themes and templates. This is where creativity meets structure as you choose a visual layout that complements your content. Look for the Portfolio tab within this selection. It's specifically designed to offer themes and templates tailored for showcasing portfolios. Spend a little time exploring these options and envision how your work will be highlighted within each one. Once you find a theme that resonates with you and aligns with your vision, select it. Upon selecting your desired theme, you'll be directed to the website editor screen. This is your creative playground where customization and personalization happen. Weebly's editor is quite user-friendly, allowing you to rearrange elements, add your content, tweak colors, and adjust styles with ease, all to ensure that your portfolio reflects your unique style and professional brand. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of your personal and professional narrative, so take your time during this phase. Consider the types of projects or achievements you'll be displaying and ensure each piece stands out. Use high-quality images and clear, concise descriptions to give visitors a true sense of who you are and what you bring to the table. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your portfolio on Weebly. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a stunning, personalized portfolio that speaks volumes about your work and creativity. Happy building!